side to side, let's tell my trouble come alive. I can't wait, the sun is shining, leave the sails and follow my own tide, yeah.
Good morning! We are headed to the beach today. Yay! So we thought we would take you along with us to see what we get up to today. So a good old raw day in the life vlog. Enjoy!
Maybe listen here.
I feel like 5 years in, I've finally gotten the hang of going to the beach with kids and I know what I need to pack. These are Bentgo boxes and they are awesome, you guys. If you don't have these, you need to get them because they are amazing to go lunch boxes for kids. I love this little coffee maker thing. I got it on Amazon and I love that I don't need to use filters with it. So I will link it in the description for you.
Dog when we come home.
Come on!
Go underdog on the way home.
Come on! Come on, Charlie, let's go to the beach. Come on! Alright, here we go. Granny met us at the beach and it was crowded, but a lovely day. No.
Oh, there's a big one coming, Charlie. See that one? Here it comes. Here it comes, Noe. Big one.
Oh, look at that big one.
There's another big one.
Dad, hold that.
Okay.
Charlie is just getting so good at swimming. It's just so fun to watch. Hey, Charlie! What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing to me? Oh, no, throwing sand. Yes, he did throw sand at me. I could tell something was coming with that little mischievous grin. We are back from the beach now. I just put Noah down for his nap and she sent some.
She sent it some.
And Charlie is gonna just rest and we're gonna do some schoolwork and we're all just tired from the beach. It was really fun. There was a lot of people there. We didn't realize it was actually like the Friday of Memorial Day weekend. I feel like we do this all the time, but everyone was social distancing really well and we didn't feel nervous at all, so it was good. Noah was so cute. He was trying to swim in the ocean water like he does in the pool. I didn't get it on film, but it was adorable. He's really tired, so he's down for his nap, and Charlie is building a pillow fort. Daddy are gonna have a little lunch now since we didn't have any food at the beach. We were pretty hungry.
In what country? What language? And I turned to run away from him, and luckily Grandpa Warren was right there. And he grabbed me and he was like, "I'll pay, don't worry." Apparently I had to pay money to light the candles.
And now it's time for Charlie and I to do our 20 minutes a day of this book. I didn't like it at first, you guys. It was very confusing, but once we got into it, it's amazing. Like, it's so fun to see him learning. He is literally learning to read. It's gonna bring me to tears. I am so proud of him.
Sheep.
That's right. And I feel so lucky that I get to be a part of this. Whereas if we didn't have this quarantine, I probably wouldn't have felt the need to get on it and teach him to read. And so now I feel empowered, and I feel like so proud of him and so proud of myself for sticking to this. It's only 20 minutes a day, but it's really working, and it's so amazing to see him like getting it and starting to learn his letters and starting to read. And it's amazing to see how proud of himself he is. So yummy, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Did you have some watermelon? Was it good? Did you get it all over you?
No.
You didn't? Are you sure? So Noe Bose did not nap. He is now playing in the pool with Charlie, and they are entertained. So I am gonna go ahead and unpack the stuff from, hey, that's a little too much, okay? Gentle. Charlie, don't pour water over Noe's head. Don't pour water over his head, thank you. I'm gonna unpack the stuff that we brought back from the beach, all the wet stuff, and hopefully get some clothes folded that are fresh out of the dryer, and watch these guys while I do it. So I'll be out here so that everyone is safe.
Watch me, Mom.
Happy Mother's Day. Good job, Noah! Please excuse the state of my screened-in patio. It's a mess and needs to be cleaned, but I have 3 boys living with me and 2 dogs, and so I get behind on it pretty often.
Wait, the sun is shining, leave the sails and follow my own tide, yeah. There's a screaming in there, not telling me to leave for a while. So for the first time I trust him, right on now, I'm gonna ride my own line on. I wanna escape and restart all.
Noah just got out of the pool and then proceeded to pee. See the trail of pee? So he came in here. I mean, I didn't get it on video, but he came in here and stood up on this stool and then just peed everywhere. See, it's still on the mat right there. And so I grabbed him, like I was potty training him still. Carried him all the way out. Here's the pee trail. All the way out. Back to the pool where he just was, where he could have peed freely.
I want a biscuit too.
Otto home and I gave him some food. I did not give him much, just one little spot. But this did not make Otto happy. He wanted more food. He had to have more. Poor Otto. He just had to have more. The boys are watching our Easter vlog. They love watching it. And it gives me a minute to get dinner started. So they're watching and I'm making meatloaf for dinner. So here we go. I'm gonna bring them a snack and I try my best to only give them vegetables before dinner. And they kind of know it by now, but Charlie still gives me some slack.
Away into the wild, I know my aim I'll live inside. Can't wait to bury the ruins of my mistakes, to only keep it the truth, yeah. There's a treasure out there, just everywhere.
You're like a peanut butter jelly monster, huh? You're starving? Oh my gosh, you're starving. Oh no.
Mommy, 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 mommy.
No. Watch your head. Go down slow. Go down slow. Oh! Give me those feet. Oi. Give me those feet. Ready?
No.
Yep. Give me both. Silly.
I wanna escape and restart all.
My kids are starving. I didn't realize how long it takes to make meatloaf. It's like an hour-long recipe, so they're so hungry. This is what Jason's been doing. He is working on making our laundry room, which is a current mess because,
Yeah, Mom.
oh dear, you're like up there? Oh goodness.
See all the wood we're laying? All this wood's gonna
So
get laid
he's
across there, so it's gonna
putting
be flat.
like a floor up there basically to make room for this storage.
I don't know how to get
So this thing will be gone and that storage will be going up there.
Okay.
And then
I don't know how to get
he's
them.
insulating
I
and
got you,
everything.
Ready? Hold on.
Do you guys
Don't
need
move,
my
don't
help?
move. I got you. Maybe in a minute.
Okay, and
I got you. Let go of my leg. Let go
and
of
this
my
is
leg.
gonna be a
Make sure you
bathroom.
go. The wall. There you go. I
So
got your hand. You step down one. Step down one. I got your
big
hand.
renovations. We'll definitely do a video
Okay, yeah.
on this whole
Okay.
process. Careful,
Easy.
you.
Piece of cake, Charlie, huh?
You holding on
A little
tight?
scary, but you're brave.
So this is our dinner: meatloaf, corn, and asparagus. The boys were pretty hungry, so they ate pretty well tonight. And you'll see this in our evening routine video, but I do try to get the boys to bring their plates up to the sink when they're finished. And now the monster mess. I did not clean as I went while cooking this dinner. It was just too hectic, so I have to pay for it by dealing with this gigantic mess. There's something really therapeutic about watching a mess disappear in fast forward. I finally cleaned up that crazy mess, and I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I hope you'll subscribe and join me on my channel. Bye. I just realized I'm eating. I turned the camera on. Oh dear.